Hey guys, what is up? Joe here, back at it again with another tech review video. And I would like to give a disclaimer. This is not gonna be your usual camera video gear review because this is actually a product that I just wanted to buy because I just want it. I don't exactly need it, but since the quarantine started, I've been actually wanting this product. So, without further ado, let me introduce to you the Nintendo Switch. Let's go Pikachu bundle. So in this video, I will do the unboxing and what makes this limited edition Pokemon bundle different from the rest of the Nintendo Switch that is currently offered in the market. And yeah, give my thoughts on actually buying this just for myself. So yeah. Let's go and start with this video. Right off the box, you got the Nintendo Switch console, the left and right Joy-Con controllers, some papers that are in Japanese and I don't understand them, the Joy-Con straps, the Joy-Con grip, HDMI cable, AC adapter, Pokeball Plus, USB cable, and lastly, the Nintendo Switch dock. That's basically what you will get in the package. The Nintendo Switch is a versatile gaming console that allows you to play in 3 modes. TV mode by attaching the console to its dock, tabletop mode which lets you detach the Joy-Cons, or handheld mode with the Joy-Con controllers attached. This limited edition Let's Go Pikachu bundle comes with some special features that will make a Pokemon fan like me go crazy. The Joy-Con colors mimics the color scheme of Pikachu and Eevee. The Nintendo dock stars Pikachu and Eevee just chilling in the front, while the backside of the console has Pikachu and Eevee silhouettes drawn on it. In the limited edition bundle, you will have the Let's Go Pikachu digital game already installed in the console. It is one of Nintendo's RPG where players take the role of a trainer whose mission is to hunt for Pokemon and badges in the first generation region of Kanto. Now you can't catch a Pokemon without a Pokeball, right? With the Pokeball Plus, you can bring your Pokemon adventures to the real world with an accessory that fits in your hand. It works like a controller and has motion control capabilities that allows you to catch a Pokemon by moving your Pokeball Plus like you're throwing it. When you catch a Pokemon, your Pokeball Plus will light up and vibrate in your hand, and you will hear the Pokemon as if it's inside the Pokeball. Can you guess who's that Pokemon? Not only it works like a Joy-Con, but you can connect the Pokeball Plus with the Pokemon Go app. You can now play Pokemon Go without looking at your smartphone, similar to how a Pokemon Go Plus bracelet works. So here are my thoughts actually owning a Nintendo Switch. Now this Pokemon bundle is version 1, meaning this is the original Nintendo Switch when it was released, the first production. Through the years, there is now a version 2. The only difference with version 1 and version 2 is that version 2 has a longer battery life when you are playing it in handheld. So if you're the type who prefers to have a longer playing time, then I would suggest getting the version 2. But the version 1 is actually good if you prefer to play it in TV mode more compared to always bringing it on the go. There is another version in the Nintendo Switch family that is actually on the range of budget-friendly, which is called the Nintendo Switch Lite. Now, the Nintendo Switch Lite doesn't have the feature of putting your Nintendo Switch in a dock or in tabletop mode. You can only use it in handheld. It's much cheaper, but you are sacrificing the missing features that the original Nintendo Switch has. But if you're okay with sacrificing those two features, then go for the Nintendo Switch because it's much cheaper than the original version. Overall, this bundle is great for those people who are really a Pokemon fan like me. I mean, I'm able to use the Pokeball Plus in my Pokemon Go app, and I'm also enjoying playing Let's Go Pikachu in the Nintendo Switch. Anyways, I do hope you enjoyed watching this type of different content. I know the product is not really camera gear related, but I just wanted to make a vlog because I really just want a Nintendo Switch, and I just wanted to share to you guys my experience and what I think about the product. Anyways, to show your support, if you guys like this review, please leave a thumbs up and share it to your friends, and don't forget to follow my social media accounts. This is Joe Serrano signing out, and I will see you in my next tech review. See you guys.